What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I have a special one for you. I'm excited to bring this one to you. We're going to be talking Workhorse, but we're going to dive a little bit deeper into the company, and we're specifically going to be talking about the Horsefly. Not a lot of people are talking about it, and I truly think that this is going to be a massive addition to the likes of Workhorse, obviously, but it's going to add to a massive addition to the likes of the drone sector. So if you're interested in Workhorse, which I know many of you are, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. So before we start talking about our favorite horse, obviously Workhorse, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go! So first things first, I really want to let you guys know the drone market is coming, and it's going to be fastly approaching, and it's going to be doing some amazing things for the world. It truly is. I mean, you're talking about drones that are going to have a touchless aspect to it, that are going to be able to perform a lot of different objectives. You're talking about deliveries. You're talking about deliveries in things such as packages. You're talking about vaccines. You're talking about medicines, pharmaceuticals. You're talking about food deliveries. And then you're talking about inspections, doing all kinds of surveying. Drones are going to be the future. They truly are, and they are going to be a technological movement. It's going to be a wave. I'm telling you that. And so when I noticed that obviously Workhorse has been doing it with the Horsefly, it really didn't start clicking until I started doing all kinds of research on drones and really started presenting a lot of different things about drones on this YouTube channel. And so it really is going to speak volumes to what Workhorse is doing. We know about what they're doing in the last mile delivery, and that's going to be amazing in itself. But now they're adding a major piece into obviously that last mile delivery that's going to make it to where it could potentially be the last inch delivery. And those are things you got to keep in mind as an investor when you're investing into this company. It's not always just about the USPS contract. There's a lot more that goes into Workhorse and truthfully the future of this company. So swing it on over here, because obviously I want to provide some information on what the Horsefly truly is. And that's what I'm here to do, is provide you information on things that really aren't talked about a whole lot. So like I said, swinging on over here. The Horsefly is a custom-built high-efficiency delivery UAV that is fully integrated with our line of electric delivery trucks. The Horsefly system is designed to conform to the FAA guidelines, which we'll talk about, for UAV operation in the US, most notably being fully integrated with delivery trucks. The system is designed such that the driver or driver's assistant can maintain line of sight operation of the UAV delivery process. And what I think is even more important, we're going to take it a step further, is that Workhorse obviously has a system, whether it's, obviously a program or it's some type of networking system that they have, they take it a step further. So we're going to talk about that as well. Ares is a custom Horsefly user control center. Built by Workhorse, this technology allows the user a variety of monitoring options, which include location of the package, the truck, drone, and real-time onboard video of the Horsefly. So right there, they are not only providing you with a Horsefly, but then they're also offering, obviously the service that goes with it in order to track it, do all kinds of different things. That is amazing right there. So continuing on, because this gets a little bit, deeper. Our autonomous system is integrated with the C1000 electric delivery vehicles. The truck is jumping off point for the drone, and then the pair will meet after the delivery is complete. The truck features a control center for the driver and auto landing Horsefly roof with charging capabilities. So they really have this thing ironed out, and I truthfully don't feel a lot of people are aware of what Workhorse is doing with this entire drone concept. It's amazing, it truly is, and what they're going to be able to do with it is just going to be mind-blowing. So continuing on, the Horsefly is a 4-rotor UAV that can fly fully autonomously. Our custom-built drone is designed for safety, efficiency, and can undergo the rigors of day-to-day delivery. And I think right there, you're talking a very industrial, you're talking a very, you got to think, these last mile delivery objectives are going to be out in all types of weather. These drones are going to have to be able to deliver packages in every form of weather. So for them to be very, designed efficiently, and for them to be, to be able the ability to undergo rigorous, flying abilities, that's amazing in itself. I'm looking forward to this. I truly am, and I think this is going to be a massive, massive piece and a massive addition to the likes of Workhorse. So now what I'm going to do is provide you a view of exactly, what the Horsefly is, how Workhorse envisions it being used, and really some of the objectives that they hope to accomplish with the Horsefly. When you really hear it coming from Workhorse, it truly is kind of a special thing because, the company really does see this being integrated into the last mile delivery. And truthfully, it's going to be put into the last inch delivery. I'm excited to see this. I'm excited as an investor, and these are the things you like to hear, especially when you're a long-term investor. This is going to be something that's going to help this company get to the next level. They can continuously do things in the last mile delivery sector. They can obviously continue to build trucks and do things like that. But you're talking the future of delivery here. And for Workhorse to be taking steps to be successful in that already is amazing. And it just speaks volumes to what this company is doing behind the scenes. And so I'm excited for it. I'm going to provide this information right now. Let's go. The Horsefly UAS has been designed to meet the FAA's stringent standards for commercial drone operations and includes a safe, reliable, multi-use aircraft that can deliver parcels, carry sensors and cameras, and operate autonomously with high degree of precision. And like I said, I'm going to break down the FAA's stuff because Workhorse is, enduring that right now. They're going through the process, and it is very, very tough. The system's success has been validated through real-world commercial deliveries, including approximately 80% most commercial package sizes, shapes, and weights, having demonstrated the ability to carry a 10-pound payload up to 10 miles. That is massive, and that is a huge piece of information. The aircraft's flexible design allows users to operate select, patent-pending delivery methods, including airdrops, winch deliveries from various altitudes, and ground deliveries. Its quick change battery system also effectively reduces ground time between missions. The aircraft's durable structure supports superior levels of reliability in the high utilization demanding markets of commercial and industrial users. And so I think right there, you're starting to see, the vision at which Workhorse has for this drone. For them to be able to carry a package 10 pounds and up to 10 miles, that truly is a big accomplishment. It really is. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm diving deep into the FAA because the FAA is very, very strict. And truthfully, they need to be. I've talked about this multiple times in many of my videos talking about drones. The FAA is going to be the one that's going to allow and give the clearance for these companies to be successful in this sector. And the reason why it needs to be so strenuous is because obviously a lot of these companies plan on it, their objective to go beyond the line of sight. They want them to be autonomous. They want these drones to function in a way that they can deliver the package in a way that no one is around and it can be done, and the drone will return back to obviously its home station. Those are things that the FAA really is taking into consideration, really being strict on, because they don't want these things to go rogue, cause damage, to injure people, to injure anything really. And so that's why the FAA is so strict. There is a tough process, and it's tough testing. And obviously Workhorse is now beginning that, and that makes me excited. Again, as I said, as an investor, most people are not aware of really what this is meaning to Workhorse. A lot of people are focusing on that last mile delivery, the trucks, the United States Postal Service contract, but this truthfully could be a big time player and really send this stock in a huge upward direction when they really start to get things rolling with this. So the FAA type certification is the only path to scaling meaningful long-term commercial revenue operations in the U.S., and we believe our aerospace division is firmly on the path, said Workhorse CEO Dwayne Hughes. We first started developing our unmanned aerial system over 4 years ago and have come a very long way in that time. Workhorse Aerospace has flown hundreds of live package deliveries in multiple states, with direct operating costs of the aircraft coming in less than 3 cents per mile. That right there is a huge piece of information as well, because again, you're reducing the cost down of the delivery. That's their big objective when you're talking about the overall picture, when you're going from gas to electric in their, obviously last mile delivery. Now you're taking it even a step further, and you're only getting 3 cents out of a drone delivery. That's amazing information. And so the big thing is that they're wanting to reduce cost. It's absolutely amazing to see. So continuing on, it says that package delivery integrated via drone represents a true step function improvement in terms of cost and efficiency. While there is much more work ahead, this formal application is a milestone achievement for our team. We will continue to work diligently over the coming months as we progress through the various stages of the approval process. And so from my understanding, basically what it sounds like to me is that they're going after the FAA 135, and that's going to be a big time accomplishment. That's going to be a big time addition to this company, and that's going to allow them to do a lot of things beyond the line of sight. One of the things I would have liked to see Workhorse do was find a way to get in the Beyond program that was actually put on by the United States Department of Transportation. It doesn't sound like they were able to get involved with that. Many of the drone companies that I've covered on this channel have been involved with that. And basically what it's doing is it allows these drones to autonomously and, basically flying it beyond the line of sight. So it would have been nice to see Workhorse get involved with that. But I can see how, just doing the FAA clearance is going to be absolutely massive for this company. I'm excited. I love this type of information, and I really, really enjoy bringing this information to you guys. It's going to be amazing to see. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video because this will not be my last video. Number one, on Workhorse, most definitely, and this will most definitely not be the last video on the Horsefly. Obviously, I really enjoyed the drone aspect. I really enjoy presenting you guys information on drones, and I'm going to continuously dive deeper into this sector because I want to be able to present you something that is going to be very, very telling and very up and coming in the technology, delivery sector, all kinds of different things. I mean, the drone movement is going to be very special, and it's going to provide a tremendous service to a ton of people across the world. So really, this is going to be a lot of information that's going to start pouring from this channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I do want to remind you guys I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. That's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain, and I tried to do that today, is entertain you with something really cool. You guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.